And we're back here with part 2 of this boiler room.
We left off with Son of a Little Biscuit.
Jimmy gets up
Jimmy,
laughing.
you seem to really like football. You know what I like? Baseball! Oh!
Correction, that was a softball, so...
Jimmy just threw, or Fruity just threw a base or soft ball. And Jimmy ramming it into the pool as he's wearing Fruity's No.
This is what it's come to. This is what it's come to, Fruity.
Jimmy putting the mask back on Fruity. With the torture rack throwing Jimmy right down. Jimmy just fell onto the floor. Fruity. Uh-oh. Fruity's putting that ball back. Ramming him right into the couch. Fruity with another uppercut. Jimmy landing on a very, very hard spot of the couch.
What's wrong, Jimmy?
With a chop.
Take monster you.
Repeated chops.
I'm still here.
And we have Mr. Fur. Oh my god, with the tornado DDT.
He dead.
Oh my god. Jimmy could leave right now. He could run up those steps.
I'm gonna complete my mission first.
We could just scan us and...
Where'd that go?
Jimmy can leave right now. So I'm free right now, putting the mask back on the face.
That's what he deserves to have on his face.
Is Jimmy gonna leave right now? Jimmy's crawling out. What? Jimmy's leaving. Jimmy's leaving. And Jimmy's gone. Let's go take another look here at Fruity. No. He's not